Yo, what's going on, everybody? Stream is starting in 2 minutes, yeah? Yo, what's going on, everybody? Stream is starting in. Yeah, who's ready for a stream? Got some sauce I want to show you guys, man. Got some real sauce. Woo! So tired. So, let's see what's going on, brother. What's going on? But yeah, guys, just bear me 2 minutes, okay? Then we're gonna get the show on the road. All good, man. All good. Whew. Okay, it's showtime. Showtime, baby. Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's the deal? What's happening? Let me just get my phone ready, get the stream, pop my phone over here so we will not be interrupted on this amazing stream. My flash funding. We are on the live right now. My flash funding. Alright, if you're still in the house, say what's up so I know who I'm talking to. So if you're still on the stream, there's only two people, so I don't know who these two people are, yeah? So just drop a fire emoji or a W or something so I know who I'm talking to, you know? So I know who I'm talking to. Alright, we got this CD. What's going on, brother? What is going on, my man? I'm Michael. Let's go. Let's go. How was everybody's weekend? First and foremost, that's the main thing we need to establish. How was everybody's weekend? Because this week, man, we got a big week ahead. We got NFP. So let me get the screen ready there for y'all. Let me get the screen ready for y'all. For y'all out there. Cold, man. It must be. Bang. 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 So as usual, guys, make sure you check like the agenda for the week before. I'm got a little bit of a cold coming up myself, man. But make sure you check Forex Factory or whatever news outlet that you have, you know, for this week, you know. So, because when you do that, you're aware of what's happening, yeah. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna filter this. Don't care about NZD. Don't care about Japan. Don't care about Australia. Don't care about China. Don't care about France, and I don't care about Switzerland. Yeah. All I care about is United States of America, Pledge Allegiance, and United Kingdom. So now we filter the results. This is all that matters. Oh, there was news today. See, this is something Forex Factory didn't show. This is something Forex Factory did not show. You see what I mean? Different news outlets will show you different things. So let's go to FX Street for a sec, yeah? And see, was there any news events today for GBP? Because that makes sense. This morning, GBP just went zoom. Let's go to yesterday. To today. Apply. Yeah, there was heavy news today. GBP. It came out worse than expected at 7 a.m. Do you see what I mean? Do you see what I mean? So let's go to GJ. 7 a.m. Let's see what happened at 7 a.m. Had sales on GJ. So we did. This actually played out. Nice. This is from the last stream, actually. If you guys remember, on our stream on Friday, we said we're going to expect price to drop below, come back, and that's exactly what we did. I have not looked at this GJ chart since that day, guys. No word of a lie. No word of a lie. So it just goes to show precision. So yeah, let's go to this morning, 7 a.m. Yeah. Just gonna put this to the side. Put it to the side. So yeah, 7 a.m. What's going on? We should be expecting sales. 6, 6, 7. Nothing too spectacular at 7, man. Like, and I'm on the 3-minute time frame. Nothing that's indicating go for a madness. Like maybe if I go on the line chart, like, You could have had a tight ass trade, like here, tight ass stop loss. 1:3. Maybe, just maybe. Because after that, 7:30, price went up. So what does Forex Live have to say about this? Huh? Sorry, this one here. What do you have to say about this today? So we don't know if this is good or bad. A lower reading seen as bearish. FX Street, talk to us. Talk to us, man. Lower reading is seen as bearish. So yeah, strange. GMT +1. Very, very strange. GMT +1. Yeah, I couldn't even tell you what it is. But the next one is November. I will keep an eye on this. November 14th. I will keep an eye. So let me grab my pen. Pen. Sticky note. So this is the thing you do, guys. If you have an idea or something that comes into your mind straight away, do not waste your time. Attack the situation. First things first. If you don't do it, you're going to forget about it. So we're writing down right now. Gross domestic product, GDP. Thursday, 14th November 2024. Then when is this other one here? Again, Thursday. Okay. 7 a.m. Boom. It's written down. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick it on my screen here so I don't forget. This website is called fxstreet.com. fxstreet.com. Yeah, man, trust me, pen and paper is the best because now I'm not going to forget the fact that I was on a stream. I took out my pen and I wrote it down. People give so much excuses. Yeah, I'll remember it in a few days. A few days, if I don't write it down, I'll be like, what was the thing I was supposed to write down again? It was something to do with news. Then I'll even forget. I'll even forget the news event itself. So it's like, what's the point? So yeah, make sure you have a pen and paper always with you, man, so you can write it. If not, open up your notepad on your iPhone or Android. I don't care what device you're using. Doesn't really matter. As long as you can connect to the internet, that's all that matters. Then write it down. So now I know next time I'm going to keep an eye out on this. So it came out negative, right? So since it came out negative, that means that we should have been going for sales around 7 o'clock. So let's check out GBP USD at around 7 o'clock and see what price did. So this is 703. We didn't really have a clean structure here, but it still sold. It sold off for like what? A couple of pips. 8 pips. Still something if you're scalping. So yeah. Then after that, at 8 o'clock, we got the push up. So just keep note. Literally keep note. So what you want to do next is go to the history. Go to the history. Okay? Historical data. Or data. Whatever the hell you want to call it. The last time this happened was the 28th of August. 28th? No, June. Yeah, June. 28th of June, it bought. So let's see what happened on the 28th. It's not one thing that you just see it, yeah? Seeing it is one thing. But you need to make note. Always. Yeah. So you need to make note. So here we had it on 28th of June. So let's go to the 28th of June, yeah? This is why history matters. Always. But I'm gonna go on GJ because GJ is my favorite pair. You get me? So yeah. Let's see if this thing allows us to go all the way to the 28th because we are in the 15-minute time frame. So we'll see. 28th July. Come on, come on. Give us Joe. No, it's not going to give us June. Literally, we got caught off here. So I'm going to go to the 30-minute time frame. So I'm going to go to 28th of June. It should have bought, by the way, on the 28th of June. It was a Friday as well. So this is Friday, the 28th of June. $7 a.m. As you can see, we had a higher high, higher low. Then around 6, 7 p.m., boom, a.m., boom, boom, boom. We shot up to the upside. So you could have got a nice tight trade. Probably just target these highs to play it safe. Because when you're scalping, it's not about swinging for the moon, yeah? It's about getting in and getting out. So yeah, target this 31 pips, I believe. Boom. A nice, this magnet thing. Nice 10 pip stop loss, nice and healthy. Boom. That's all you need, man. That's all you need. Easy. So yeah. So when it comes to news, guys, like, do your research is what I'm going to say. Do your research on the news, yeah? Do your bleeding research. So you know what you like, you know what's up. But it looks like what happens usually after this, from what I've noticed, after 7, 8 o'clock, price will tend to reverse and go in the opposite direction. As you can see, we sold, we bought, and then we sold. That's just quick maths, quick analysis. So we'll go to, see, this is every quarter, so it's a bit mad. So even like today, it should have sold and then bought around 8. So as you can see, 8, 8:30, it sold. Yeah. So now let's go to today. So this is 7. Then around 8, it went in the opposite direction. So what you want to then do is make another note and write down, depending on the outcome, wait until 8 o'clock to make a move. So that's what I'm going to write down now on my sticky notes in my hand. Boom. Stick it up. And yeah, like, I hope you guys do something like that, cause if nobody does that, I'm gonna be so disappointed, man. Like don't tell me you just let the news be the news and then do nothing. Don't even think about why price did what it did or why it's happening. If you don't do that, man, start doing it. Like do yourself a favor is all I'm gonna say. Like do yourself that much of a favor. Like if a news event happens, how do you expect to like gather data and work from next time it happens? That's how you just end up avoiding news every time, you know? NFP is on Friday, yeah? Every first week or every first Friday of the month, people avoid NFP. Stupid decision, in my opinion. Why do I say it's a stupid decision? Well, why don't you go and do your research and look at what the charts does when NFP gives you a certain figure and look at the times and all that kind of stuff and then come back on the charts and write a few notes. It's a no-brainer. Like I'm looking here because I'm looking at the chart, looking at the chat, yeah. 8 a.m. London time, yeah. So depending on your location, whatever London time is. So if you're in Nigeria, I think it's 8 as well. Or you might be 1 hour ahead, so 9. But yeah, like a lot of people in this game are, let me not say lazy, but I have to call a spade and say some of y'all are lazy, bro. Like lazy. For example, if I never had pointed this out, was anybody even gonna check the news and see what going, see what's up? You know, the fact that first I went and I checked on Forex Factory, I was like, interesting. Then I went on a different news source to confirm. Do you get me? Then I even went on a third news source and I was like, shit. So there was a news event this morning. You know, some people just take a face value. Oh, look, this happened. Okay, boom. It is what it is. Nah, you're not hungry enough to figure things out, to find out why this came out minus. Trust me, because when you're doing this thing, it's all about learning. Every day you have to learn something new. If you don't, you didn't do a good job learning, man. Didn't do a good job learning. So yeah, make sure you guys go give this good engagement on this thing here, man. Give it a nice fire. Lasidi, shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. Give it a nice fire emoji. Because it seems like all the other educators have disappeared, man. They all just disappeared, bro. You know? But yeah, we here now. That's all that matters. It's always about showing up. I'm just amazed this played out perfectly. Boom, boom. And this is a beautiful one. It's a 2.8 with the 50 pip stop loss. I was even being generous. So that's my part done. What would you guys wanna, you know, look at, discuss, talk about on the streams and that? You get me? What do you guys want to look at? Is there anything you guys came across today? Is there any, you know, yeah. Euro USD. Tell me, Euro USD. What is it? Let's go. On my 4 hour analysis, I'm looking bearish. Can you confirm? I can only confirm my bias. All right. I can only confirm my bias. And if you have the same bias, then yeah, it's a confirmed. It's a confirmed thing, my bro. But don't let my bias throw you off. All right. That's one thing. Don't let my bias throw you off. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. We looked at this kind of last week and I kind of left it. The reason why I left it, I was just like, price isn't really doing anything in particular, in my opinion. Yeah, it's not doing anything like clear or extravagant. Like, we did have an area of resistance. One, we came back on Wednesday. Two, we came back on Friday. Three, we came back today. Four. So it's one of these things like, could price fall, or has this resistance been tested enough times for price to break above and retest? It's one of these things. So like, if I look at a chart and I don't see anything clear, I'm not going to force it. I'm just going to leave it. Literally leave it. Like, if I'm looking on a daily point of view and I go to the line chart, I would say it's probably bullish. That's one thing I would say. It's probably bullish. And if I ask myself, where are we going to be bullish to? I would say maybe to here. Liquidity and that. You know? But that's just my opinion. You get me? That's just my opinion. Because like, daily time frame, it does look like we did break a little structure here. Higher high, higher low. So it's playing. So one thing I want to add, guys, yeah? When we are approaching NFP, yeah, you will tend to see the market is just gonna move like really choppy. Yeah, it's probably gonna be like this for the rest of the week. Friday, boom, or boom. Do you get me? So this week it's like we're just building up the hype. Oh, it's NFP, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Then on Friday it's going down, man. It's going down, literally. Just like that. So just be aware of like news events and how everything works out in Forex. It's like there's a big fight. It's like AJ versus Dubois, you know? Tyson Fury versus Usyk. Man United versus Liverpool, you know? Real Madrid versus Barcelona. That whole week, nobody cares until it's match day. And our match day is NFP on Friday. You get me? So you will expect nobody to watch all the other football matches like Tottenham versus Arsenal, or I don't even watch football. I'm just giving you the names that come up in my mind. So yeah, usually that's what does happen. Like, no one cares about them Division 2 matches. Everyone is waiting for the Champions League. They're waiting for the big bang. The big match. Bang. When trading NFP, which pair do you go to? Come on, man. You should know this. I don't even. Nah. I showed you my watch list last week, brothers. I showed you. So I'm not gonna waste my breath explaining it again. You get me? It is what it is at the end of the day, right? It is what it is. So yeah, that's my view on Euro USD. Always look at the higher time frame, see what's going on. You did help me with AUD NZD last Friday. Let's check out AUD NZD, man. What did AUD NZD get up to? AUD NZD. So we said sells, right? Okay, looks like maybe we got some sell action. Ooh, yes, yes. I had my Fibonacci. Okay, nice. So you should be in some profit still. We got Monday, we hit our entry zone. Bang. That's what I like to see. I like when I analyze a chart and I don't look at it, then I come back and it plays out. We literally got that perfect 6180 minus 27 TP. Nice 1:3. So you should be floating like a nice amount. I don't know where your entry was though, so I cannot tell you. It's a 4-hour time frame. So you just scope the charts, literally. Just scope the charts. Scope. Scope. Got a nice sell in USD last week. USD CAD sells. NZD/JPY is buying now. Okay, looking interesting. GBP NZZ. All right, we have an analysis on this. What did we analyze? Okay, nice, nice. Let's go. Continue going down the list. Oh, what pair was this? GBP NZG, JPY, GBP Swiss, GBP Euro NZD. Euro JPY. So Euro JPY and GJ are looking very, very similar, I must say. Looking very, very similar. So I'm just gonna draw out a quick supply zone up here. I'm gonna look for nice support over here. So at some point this week, we could expect Euro JPY to fly to the upside. At some point. Obviously, we have resistance here. So we need to break above that resistance first. Yeah. Break above that resistance first. And then take it downtown, baby. Take it downtown. So it might sell a little bit still, you know, retrace. And then we can expect a push, whoosh and push to the upside. Even like this. But I'll wait first. I'll wait. Patience. Key. Formality. Euro AUD. Looks like we missed a nice setup. It is what it is. So yeah, just have your list, have your watch list, and just, you know, scroll through the list, see if there's any setups. If there isn't any setups, don't do anything. Just chill out. You know, chill out, man. Keep it real. Keep it cool, bro. AUD NZD selling, man. You know how we do. And then we got AUD JPY. So yeah, it's a bit of a hit or a miss sometimes. You know, it's a bit of a hit or a miss. So as you can see, AUD JPY is ahead. It's ahead right now. Like GJ and all the other pairs are still chilling here. So you could expect GJ and the rest of the pairs to buy. That's one thing for sure. So some pairs move ahead and they move advanced. So look at that. We have a nice break above. So you could expect price to bang, bang, baby. But yeah, I feel like that's about it, you know. Don't really need to force anything for today's stream. Just have to wait it out. Keep an eye out on the news. So for now, the floor is yours, guys. Do you guys have any questions you want to ask before we wrap it up? Before we wrap it up. Like, look, if you want to be in on what we're trading on a day to day, this is where you need to be. Boom, €15. Come on, stop playing. Stop playing, man. This is something you won't even regret. But that's just me, though. You get me? So if you guys ain't got no questions, we wrap it up. I'll give you guys one more minute. If there's no questions in the chat, I guess we'll leave it at that. And I'll see you on the next day, which is Wednesday. Then I'll catch you guys on Wednesday. You heard? Okay. There's about 10-15 seconds left. Speak now or forever hold your peace. Either way, we're good. All right. No question is a good sign as well. So yeah, I guess we leave it at that. Peace out, family. And we'll see you when I see you on Wednesday. If you guys want to trade NFP with me live, I can guarantee you it's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day. But I'm not going to be streaming NFP live though. If you want access to the trades we're going to take for NFP, go for the quick basic package. You'll make that money back in 5 seconds trading NFP with me. But that's just me though. You get me? So yeah, we're going to do a vlog this week. Maybe. We're going to trade unemployment claims as well. So make sure you guys are keeping up with the videos. We don't miss. So like I'm dropping videos every single week, guys. Like for the whole month of September, I haven't missed 1 week. So this week, you guys are going to get 2 videos. You're going to get unemployment claims and you're going to get NFP. Yeah. So we're going to be really consistent. As you can see, 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 10 days ago, 4 days ago. And yeah, that's all I'm going to say for now. I don't want to reveal too many things, but if you want to make money and trade NFP on Friday, this is where you need to be. The next time you see this is Wednesday. Then after that, on Friday, once we share our profits, I don't want to hear any questions like, how did you do it? Da, 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 da. I'm giving you guys the key, the secret, the formula right here. But yeah, we'll leave it at that, guys. Have a good trading week. It's only Monday. Trade with caution. Trade with care. Other than that, peace out, family. And hold it down, yeah? Wonderful. Do you trade? Yes, yeah. So I traded live, literally live. The last NFP I was trading with a few students, and it was a good day. I feel like I should document trading NFP so you guys see like this is real life shit. So I might do it this week. Yeah, I actually might do it this week and show you guys like, yo, NFP on this side, we haven't missed. Literally, we have not missed. But I'm not going to say too much, you know. I'm not going to say too much. I'll see you at the finish line. But if you want to meet me at the finish line, we can go together. You get me? Like a team. So yeah, thanks for the question. But yeah, we traded live, literally. Because in this community here, I also share setups. See here, I even have a little walkthrough on how to trade, what's it called? How to trade US 30, you know. We have trade alerts, we've got market analysis, we've got the whole shebang, you know, as you can see, USDZAR update, USDZAR take profit, Euro USD take profit, USDZAR, this is the initial trade setup. So yeah, like this community is on fire. We're starting to grow some members, and guess what? We have calls every single day. So that's why I actually have to bounce from this call right that we're on right now, because we have a call with the members in about 30 minutes. I need to chill out for a bit. So yeah, we have calls every single day. And these calls are not like stream calls, they're more personal, you know. Any questions you actually do have, because you're paying for the service, you will get them questions answered. If you need me to break down a pair for you to the even to the entry point, I do it. We talk about trading, we talk about mindset, how to develop yourself as a trader, how to, level up, how to pass challenges, so on and so forth. It's all in the packages, guys. Literally, it's all in the packages. But I'm talking too much now because I really do have to go. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Take care. Peace out. And I'll see you on Wednesday stream. Bless. And yeah, Michael, I hope your ADNZD trade hits take profit, by the way. So when I see you on Wednesday, please come back with some good news, man. Come back with some good news. Other than that, peace.